If you want to use the teleprompter while recording videos on a Google Pixel 11, then you want to open the camera app. Over here, we're gonna switch to the video mode, and then you can tap on the setting icon in the bottom left corner. Now here in video settings, you can switch to the creator tab, and here we can find the teleprompter, so we can turn it on in here. Now as you can see in the upper left corner of the camera preview, we have this teleprompter section, so you can tap over here, and you should be able to add your script. So here we have this information. You can just start typing whatever you want to read during your video. And you should also be able to, of course, paste the text. So if you copy it or something, then of course, then we should be able to use it quite easily. And once you are done, we can exit the teleprompter and the text field, and there we go. Now we have this teleprompter section. Unfortunately, it seems that we cannot really change its position. It is stuck here at the top. But what we can do is we can use this icon here in the bottom left corner of this teleprompter to toggle dynamic scrolling. You can also find the scroll speed and the font size, so you can make the text smaller if you want to, or bigger, of course. And then we should be able to start recording, and the teleprompter is supposed to, of course, scroll down as we read the text on our screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.